Hey everyone, it's Raj. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am unboxing, reviewing, and installing the OAE Aftermarket rear right outer door handle for my Chevrolet Beat, which I ordered from Boodmo. So, here is the package. It's well protected. Let's take the product out. So you can see it's from OAE brand and the price is rupees 334, but you can get it for around 250 rupees. The material feels sturdy and the finish looks quite premium. Now let's replace the door handle. Before we begin, let me tell you that I am not a professional mechanic and I highly recommend getting expert assistance. I decided to install it myself due to time constraints. So, this is the broken one. We need to remove it first. For that, we have to detach the interior door panels. Use appropriate Phillips screwdriver to remove these two screws. Now detach this upper part of the panel by prying and pulling out carefully. After that, gently detach the clips around the lower part of the bigger panel by prying. Now lift up the panel gently but do not separate it yet. We have to unplug the door wire harness that is between the panel and the door body. Now take out the panel by carefully lifting up so that we won't break the lock pin. Now remove these two hex bolts which holds the door handle. Next, pull out the door handle from the outside by carefully prying, but don't separate it yet. Carefully detach the link from the broken handle and then remove the handle assembly. Now attach the new handle to the link. Use lubricant in the hole of the connector plastic to make attaching easier. Now push the handle assembly in place. Now tighten the hex bolts. Next, place the bigger panel by hooking the upper part in the door body, making sure that the door lock pin is in the correct place. Now connect back the lock wire harness and push the panel back in so that all the clips get locked. followed by attaching the smaller panel. Now tighten back both the Phillips screws. It's done. In my opinion, this aftermarket door handle from Boodmo works fine. However, you can also get OEM parts based on availability. You can find the part link in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.